Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Movers, Bedford local and long-distance movers near me. Our local moving companies in Bedford are experts at helping people move within the city. We know the area inside and out and can ensure your move goes smoothly. In addition to helping you move, our local moving company can also provide you with valuable information about the city. We can provide information on the best places to live, shop, and eat, as well as the local events and activities. We can also help you connect with the community so you can start feeling like a part of them immediately. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bedford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.